Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Benita, and this is Simply B. I am so grateful that you are watching my glow up in 6 hours video. Come on, come on. Thank you. Look at that. So, I'm over here waking up, and it is rough, but I managed to get up. And then I just thank God because He is an amazing God. I just thank Him for His mercy, His love, His grace, and favor over my life. He's just an incredible God. I just gotta give Him all the glory because He's just awesome. So I just thank my Lord. After that, I head into the bathroom and refresh. But before refreshing, I do what I call affirmation. I just look at myself in my rara state, no enhancement. And I just say, I'm beautiful, I'm cute, I'm all that, I'm the child of God. So I just say such affirmation. Then I put on my AirPod and I put on some music just because it is important for me. I just love music, I adore music. I really like especially this song, and it is my worship. So I'm just telling you guys that I am starting at 9:55. Ay ay ay. You guys saw that? So this is my hair. My hair has been in the roughest state. I just have not been taking care of me. It has just been very rough this couple of like 3 weeks. And I'm just over here trying to like detangle my hair. Oh, my hair has been through a lot. A lot. After that, I am washing my face and just making sure that, I washed it with black soap, and then I brushed my teeth, but the clip didn't make it. I am so sorry, but you guys know how to brush your teeth. Then I put on a moisturizer so elegantly. Like, look at me. Then I do a sink bath, which is just basically washing the armpits and the groin area, just because we're gonna be going to the gym later on. So yeah, look at me. Fine girl. So after that, I go and make my bed and open the curtains. Then I just set my intentions, and then I start praying to my God. And this, as you can see in this clip, I just went all in. I poured out to my Lord and my Savior. He's just great and amazing. Then I did a little bit of Bible study. So I'm over here reading, journaling about what I learned and how it applies to my life. Then I look at my schedule at the different things that I have to do today. And then I do a to do list pertaining to that certain day. So that's me doing my schedule. Then I just finish in prayer. And then I put on my gym clothes. Ay, ay, ay. You guys, this is a killer outfit. It is just awesome. And then, you have to spray some spray. Um, I did put deodorant, and right now I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup just to cover the little blemishes. And because I do have I have some errands right after the gym, so I put a little bit of makeup. So just primer, foundation, powder, and some lip gloss. My lip gloss is popping. Hey, then we're gonna put some butter on those hands so they're not ashy. And then we're gonna eat gummies. Here I am driving to the gym, and then it was a really good gym session. I usually walk, but I try to run for 20 seconds. So at 6, I don't know what that is, but I ran at 6 or 5, whichever day it is. But I need to get new gear just because like my body is all over the place in this clothes, and it shouldn't be. But as you can tell, I'm just pushing through. But I do need to get some new gears, like new bras and new tights that do not write down. Then I am in the sauna. I just love being in the sauna. The heat is amazing, just stretching in the sauna. So I just stayed there for a little while. And then I went shopping. I had an event earlier and I had to buy an outfit like ASAP. So I went to a local store and got an outfit. Then I realized we were running so late because yeah, as you can see, I'm boiling water in the back. I burned the cholesterol, which is a hot oil. I didn't have time to do my hair care in the bathroom, so I brought it all in the kitchen. I started washing in the kitchen. So I washed my hair in the kitchen. Ay, ay, ay. Look at me. I put some conditioner. And then I didn't have time to sit under the cask, so I decided to pull a plastic bag. Look at my shirt, y'all. It is just so wet. But I was just determined because I was running super late. Then I brought my black soap and I'm like, might as well just cleanse my face. Because remember, we put some makeup. After washing it with black soap, I put on some like the apricot scrub. So I scrubbed my face. And because we were in the sauna, I didn't need to steam again. So I just scrubbed them. I dried it with a clean paper towel. And then guess what, y'all? Waxing. So I was waxing the little bit of hair that I have in my face, on my face. So yeah, I was waxing it. I got my eyebrows threaded, but I was just cutting just the little tops and tips. But I did get it threaded last week. Then I am just using a razor to get rid of all the stubborn baby hair. My face has been breaking out due to many reasons. Ugh, my face, my poor face, it has also been through so much trauma. So I put on a mask and then I put on the Crest 3D whitening strip. This absolutely works, but please follow the direction. Don't be like your girl and just use it how you want to use it. Then I didn't have time to get a pedicure, so I was like, listen, my fin needed all the help they could get. So I just did a at-home pedicure and it came out fabulous. So after that, I also had a clay, but I did not make it, which is I scrubbed my whole body with sugar scrub and then I washed my face once again. This is me just prepping my face to put on makeup. And then I put some body butter and baby oil on my body. That combination, it is just amazing. It just leaves me feeling amazing. Then I go back to my face to put on a moisturizer. I was running extremely late and I wanted to do a very slick bun. So I am over here. I put on some thermal, what is that called? Serum. And I'm over here blow drying my hair. But then I just had to do it off camera because it was just too much. So I put my hair in a bun. I gelled it and I put a scarf on. And then I started priming my face. So I did a quick 5 minutes, actually 2 minutes because I really had to be out, and finished the rest in the car. But as you can tell, I forgot my makeup. So whatever was done here ended up being my makeup look because I forgot the glue for the lashes and I didn't bring my eyeshadow. So basically, this was a 2 minute makeup look. Not two, maybe 5. So I just put foundation, concealer, a little bit of bronzer, and then I put some Coco Chanel for the smell and some mascara and lip gloss on my lips, and it smelled amazing. Here I am going at my event at 3:30. So you guys are ready to see the final look. So that is the hair, how I ended up doing it. I ended up adding some pony in the back, and look at that girl, she is so fine. You cannot tell me I don't look fire, guys. Yeah, I look so cute. Thank you y'all so much for following my glow up in 6 hours. It is so visible. Thank you. Watch my next video. Bye.